Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a portable canopy with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x6 plate for the top of the canopy. I'm going to set down a 2x2 brick right in the center. Then I'm going to place four 4x3 25-degree slopes where they're hanging over by a set of studs. Then in the 1x1 openings, a set of outside corner 3x3 25-degree slopes. Place these right in here. And in this area, four more outside 3x3 25-degree slopes. And then once we get all these placed on here, we're going to crown it off with a 2x2 flat tile. Now I want to flip this over. We're going to take a bunch of rounded 1x2 plates. I'm going to start placing these around the bottom portion of our slopes. These are not only going to double up as the little overhang for our canopy, but we're going to be using these to stick some supports in the corners. Now, of course, I could just speed build through this, but why deprive you of the squeaky squeaky of the bricks? And you notice more and more I'm keeping the tutorials a bit more informal. I mean, that's how I build anyways. I don't do this professionally. There's no need to do that. And we're going to place another layer of 1x2 rounded plates. Now you can use any color you wish. You can mix and match colors. But if you notice now I'm overlapping my joints. Very critical. This is going to really strengthen up these corners here for the canopy. We put our supports. We can just rotate this around, it'd be better. See how I'm overlapping all the joints? But all these little tubes are going to line up. And of course, if you want, you can add decorations. You can do all sorts of stuff with this. And if you don't like the sand green that I'm using, you can change to any color you desire. Let your imagination go wild with this. For supports, we're going to take a 6-stud long stick with flange. I'm going to place one of these sticks with a 3.2 hole right in here. I want to make sure my flange portion is at the bottom. Make sure that's pressed and firm. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 plate with top holder, set that right here. This is going to simulate a little stake. I want to make 4 of these and I'll place these in the corners. Make sure that's in there really good. See how the flange is all the way down in there? Shove that in there as far as it will go. That's what the 1x2 rounded plates are for. Make sure that's really pressed in there. We don't want the wind carrying this away. And that will complete the portable canopy.